be talking about how to factor. So I have 3 examples for you. We're going to do it a little bit of a different way. So when I'm factoring, I want to pay attention to this last term and this middle term. And actually, I'm going to do it in a different color. Okay, when I'm factoring, I want things that are going to multiply to equal the blue term. So in this case, 6. And I want them to add together to equal 5. So what we want to do, and here we want to add together to equal 5. And we want to multiply to equal 6. So in this case, what I want to do is I want to figure out what multiplies to positive 6. So I know that 1 times 6 is positive 6, and 2 times 3 is positive 6. Now if I add these together, I get 1 plus 6 equals 7, and I get 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Which one of these, when I add them together, equal 5? 2 plus 3. So that means that's what my factors are. So when I write them out separately, I have an x and an x, and I have a plus 2, and I have a plus 3, because here I have a positive 2, I have a positive 2, and a positive 3, and that's where these ones come from, positive 2, positive 3. Let's try another one. Okay, so now I want to multiply to equal negative 6, and I want to add together to equal 1, because remember this number right here is a 1. So let's write out all the factors. What multiplies to negative 6? Positive 1 and negative 6, negative 1 and positive 6, positive 2 and negative 3, and negative 2 and positive 3. When I add these together, which ones equal positive 1? So this one is going to equal negative 1 plus negative 6 is negative 5. Negative 1 plus 6 is 5. 2 plus negative 3 is negative 1. And negative 2 plus 3 is positive 1. So I'm looking at these ones right here. So my factors, I have an x and an x. I have a negative 2 and a positive 3. That's my answer. Let's try one more. A little bit trickier. So here, I want to multiply to equal negative 24, and I want to add together to equal 5. So we have to write out all the factors of negative 24. I get positive 1 and negative 24, negative 1 and positive 24. I have 2 times negative 12 and negative 2 times positive 12. I have positive 3 times negative 8 and a negative 3 times a positive 8. I have a positive 4 times a negative 6 and a negative 4 times a positive 6. That's lots of factors to get 24. Which one of these do the factors add up to positive 5? I'm going to give you a second to go through all of them. If you chose negative 3 and positive 8, you are correct. So when you write out your factors, we have x minus 3 because it's a negative 3, and x plus 8 because it's a positive 8. This is my final answer. Good job.